my name is Handoko, and then I will to review food, and then I'm very hungry, and now 9 p.m. and then I want to searching food in here in location in Jakarta, and then I'm to the noodle closed, and then pecel lele. I like. Yeah. And then warteg, I don't like it. Juice, no, I'm very hungry. Pecel lele, oh no, oh yeah, I like French fries, Mr. Aris. You know Mr. Aris? Mr. Aris, free. You know, French fries, noodle, noodle fries, and then kwetiao. And then I will to order French fries. I am very hungry. Mas Aris, nasi goreng aku ya?
Iya.
And then I like French fries Mr. Aris. And then it's very delicious, bro. And then waiting for order Arif. I will to search history Mr. Arif French fries. Mr. Arif French fries has been selling from 2005 and in location and in same location until now. Very wrong, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Aris. And I will do review French fries, Mr. Aris. And then you know, bro, rice, toge, and egg, and chicken. You know chicken, and carrot, and you know, it's very delicious, bro. And now I will do eating for French fries, and then very delicious, bro. I like it. You know, I like it, Mr. French fries nasi goreng, French fries Mr. Aris.
Iya.
Mas Aris French fries taste really delicious and make us want to eat. This French fries is made from rice plus chicken and egg, and then add vegetables such as bean, leaves, sprouts, and then you know cashew leaf. I like it very much. And then you know kerupuk. Oh, it's very delicious, bro. Oh, thank you everyone. I hear I like from French fries Mr. Aris. That's for thank you. That's for me for review French fries Mr. Aris. And thank you. Bye.